Hello guys, so I'm just sending this model for you to take into account what you have to do in your morphological analysis, all right? So be careful with the deadline that is going to appear here so that you don't forget to submit your work. So first of all, I want you to refer the source where you took your text from. In my case, it's a V for Vendetta, a movie from 2005. This is the original text. Make sure that you have a text that is between 15 and 20 words, 15 minimum, maximum 20. And then you start your analysis word per word, right? So in this case, we have voila, which is one free morpheme that is functional and that is an interjection, all right? So notice the correlation between the word voila and its part of a speech. The definition is for you to increase your vocabulary. You don't have to include it, but it's just a recommendation for increasing your vocabulary. Then, if you analyze more complex words, remember that they usually are going to have a free morpheme and that they are going to have a bound morpheme, right? So in this case, we have the word vaudevillian, that is two morphemes, right? Notice the division right there. One free lexical base morpheme, that is vaudeville, that is a noun, and one bound morpheme, that is ian, that is a suffix. Remember that when the function of the word changes, so here we have a noun in the free morpheme, right, in the base, which is vaudeville, and this noun changes to an adjective when I use the suffix ian. So that's why I call it derivational, because it changes. And remember that in that case, the free morpheme is going to be called the base. All right. Now, this is like kind of similar. You also have two morphemes, one that is free lexical base morpheme, but in this case, you have an adjective. And then you have the suffix "li", that is the bound morpheme, and that's why it's derivational, because we change from the adjective vicarious to the adverb vicariously by using the suffix "li", right? There are some other morphemes that are stems, right? So remember that in this case, for example, we have two morphemes. The one that is one free lexical stem morpheme, that is vicissitude, that is a noun, and one bound morpheme, that is the S, right? This S, let me change the color, which is inflectional, right? And I'm going also to change the color here for using that color key, okay? So in this case, guys, notice that we have the free lexical stem, that is vicissitude, and the bound morpheme, that is S, right? Which is inflectional because it doesn't change, right? Notice that you have a noun, and here with the inflection, you continue to have a noun, all right? The only difference is that one is singular and the other is plural, but again, you have noun here and noun here. Okay, so I hope that this helps, and I'm going to send you another short video for um, vocabulary and the use of dictionary, right? So see you in class. Don't forget to submit your work